The population estimation protocol will be adopted in the exercise to be taken up for the All India Elephant and Tiger population estimation in which year? 2022. Which state has introduced a scheme to provide interest-free loan up to 50,000 to street vendors? Rajasthan. 130th edition of Durand Cup football tournament is scheduled to be held at which city? Kolkata. The government has kick-started the process of selling how much stake in National Seeds Corporation through an initial public offering? 25%. Which day is being celebrated as the death anniversary of Ahilyabai Holkar? August 13. Which state has recently passed the Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 aimed at regulating slaughter, consumption and transportation of cattle? Assam. Indian Space Research Organization will launch which Bhutanese satellite in 2021? INS-2B. The Civil Aviation Ministry has raised the lower as well as upper caps on domestic fares to what amount? %12.82%. What is India's forex reserves in the week ended August 6th? $621.464 billion. The AU Small Finance Bank has unveiled which campaign? बदलाव हमसे है. What is the retail inflation based on the consumer price index as per data released for July? %5.59%. The International Air Transport Association has extended the collaboration to facilitate international trade, particularly e-commerce, with which organization? UNCTAD. Which country has ended the virginity test on female cadets? Indonesia. Who is the new CEO of Royal Enfield and ED of HR Motors Limited? P. Govindarajan. Kandahar, which has been captured by the Taliban recently, is in which country? Afghanistan,